I make fun of everybody, but Muslims are nuts, dude. So there was a guy named Albert Durov. We have a lot of Muslims at the gym. Love these guys. So one day, Albert Durov comes up to me and he was like, hey, Sean, can I talk to you? I thought he was going to show me a move. I'm like, all right, sure. I'll be your wrestling dummy for all these little Muslims come in the cage. Well, we didn't guard. What position are we in here, Albert? He's like, no. Sit down, Sean. I'm like, oh, puts his hand on my leg. Muslims, dude, are super touchy.
They're friendly.
Super friendly, guys. So odd, especially because of religion. So he's like, Sean, in my country, I cannot be friends with you. I'm like, what are you talking about? He's like, you say things about Islam. Pretty much saying, I cannot be friends with you because what you say about Islam.
Right.
I'd make fun of Jews, Christians, Scientologists, make fun of everybody. So after that, after he caressed my leg and rubbed my head a little bit, I was like, okay, dude, I'm going to lay off Islam.